welcome back to my little child's paradise. I am back. It's been a long time that I haven't traveled with my families after COVID. This is our first time. This is like an unexpected trip. We just plan to go there and we just went to the train station. We didn't sleep the whole night. We just planned at 2 a.m. and we prepared for the trip, and then we went to the train station at 5 a.m. This is at the train station and we have to wait for the tickets. This is not the main station, so they only sell the ordinary class tickets and only 30 tickets. We're really lucky that we came here early. I was really excited for the trip. My mom, my dad, my brothers, my little aunts and me, we traveled together. He was really sleepy and slept on our bags. And this is my mom, pretty mom. We can get 2 tickets for 1 ID card. And then ticket price is 6,000 Myanmar from Yangon to Kyite stations, and this is the ordinary class ticket fee. The train leaves the main station at 6:30 a.m. and arrive here at 7 a.m. I have to carry my bags by myself and it's really heavy. And this is the outfit check for today. And luckily, we didn't have a chance to ride on an airbags train because it only runs on events day, like on 2, 4, 6, 8 tanks like that. I have ride the airbags trains before and it's more wider than this and also more clean than this one. I really love to travel with train because we can feel the nature, we can see the view, and also it has toilet. We don't need to find the toilet. That little dog is running to us and barking to us to feed him. Actually, we don't have anything to feed him, so that's why I threw my pagoda to him to feed him. There are so many food sellers on the train, like fruits and rice and curry like that, so we don't need to worry about the food. Sleepy Chan now. This is like a village beside Rainview. Finally, we arrived Kyite station. Here, it takes 4 hours and above to arrive here. As you can see, they're full with people and really crowded in here. Unfortunately, we didn't get our return ticket with train. That's why we decided to return with car. We have to ride this to get to the mountain car stations. In Myanmar, we call this mini OV. It's like a small car and we can ride at more 5 people. It costs 3,000 Myanmar just for one person. While we arrived to the mountain Kyite, it's like a lunchtime, so here is our Burmese style rice and curry. Ta-da! Finally, I arrived to the top of the mountain. Here is a mountain Kyite and we have to walk to reach the pagoda. Unfortunately, I can't show videos on the car because my phone battery is off, that's why. My brother is so excited. He had been here before, but he's too young to remember that. That's why it's like his first time, so he was so excited. I can't show video anymore after that because my phone battery is off. And then we live in a small room and the room fee is 60,000 for 5 person. As you can see, this is on the top of the mountain and on the hills. That's why the weather is so cold and really fresh for me. There are so many shops like cafes and snacks and Burmese rice and curry shops on each side of the stairs. Now we are going to the Monsu Town Pagoda, in English like the 100 Mountain Pagoda. There are so many different snacks and then salad shops and also fake mistake. There's so many different snack shops in there. It's really cold on the pagoda and I can feel the wind. This is how we pray our Buddha. As you can see, there are so many rice and curry shops on each side of the road, so we are really confused what to choose. Finally, we can decide. I saw so many good reviews of this restaurant, so we choose this. If you order one curry, you can also eat rice buffet, and you can also eat side dish as buffet. It costs 8,000 Myanmar for one person. As for me, the portion is okay, great, but the taste is tastes like just for me. But I'm really tired, so I ate a lot on the night. This is like the night market area, full with people and really crowded. My mom is really funny. She's making the face expressions of the rabbit. Now I'm gonna show you guys our Htee pagoda. They are also have the people who can afford the room fees and hotel fees. They sleep on there. Kyite pagoda is known as a golden rock, and it's built on the top of a granite border covered with gold leaf pasted on by its male worshippers. According to the legend, the golden rock itself is precariously perched on a stand of Lord Buddha's hair. The balancing rock seems to defy gravity as it perpetually appears to be on the verge of rolling down the hill. The rock and the pagodas are at the top of Mount Htee. Thank you so much for watching my video till the end, guys. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe. Part 2 vlog will be coming soon, so see you in next video. Bye bye.